Hi guys, let me quickly go through the theme section for the flexible page builder. It has two tabs, settings and section content. In the settings tab, there is a display section toggle which allows to show or hide the section on the front end. Full width section toggle is responsible for displaying your section either edge to edge or within the theme's central container. Background color, image, and video are three inputs to make your section more unique. Upload a video or image or set up a color. Section ID and section class can be helpful if you're targeting unique styling or tracking events by ID or class name. There is a toggle which is called display as a slider with navigation, allowing you to scroll team members or display them in a grid, while the number of elements per row on desktop devices allows to set number of columns per row or number of slides visible on devices with 992 pixels or wider screens. Animation allows you to set specific light animation for the elements in a row. You can leave it as no animation or override it with your own animation. The section content tab has title, tag, and description, allowing you to set specific descriptions and titles for your SEO purposes. The buttons repeater displays buttons below the section. You can set several buttons, assign URLs, titles, or styling. The theme repeater itself has four inputs: image, mainly used for photos, name, position, and description. You can add as many team members as you want. After you finish filling in the content, save the page or update the page to display the section on the front end. Good luck, guys.